The first synonym is, his another name is Charaga Chadura Anana. Charaga Chadura Anana. Chaduranana. And Susruda Sahasra Nayana. Susruda Sahasra, 1000 eyes. Sahasra Nayana. Susruda Sahasra Nayana. That is another name of Chakrabani. Susruda Sahasra Nayana. So these are frequently asking MCQ questions for PG. Okay. So this is about the Ayurveda Udarana or origin of Ayurveda. Next is, we know in Charaka Samhita, all over the Charaka Samhita, there we can see lot of Sambhasha Parishat, that is assembly or conferences. Lot of conferences are. Then some chapters in Sutrasthana, there are 4 places. 4 places in Sutrasthana we can see Sambhasha Parishat. In all over the Charaka Samhita, 7 sthana contains Sambhasha Parishat. In the first chapter, Dirkanji Vidya Adhyaya, there is a conference is happening, and that conference more than at about 53 sages or Muni or Rishis, Angiras, Jamadagni, Vasishta, Bhrigu, just like Rishis are gathered in the Himalaya region. So we can say there are 53 sages are participating in the conference which is happening in Himalaya mountain region. That question also can be expected. Okay. Next is about Arogya Moolam, Uttama Arogya Moolam. So in Dirkanji Vidya Adhyaya, 4 Uttama Arogya Moolas are explained. 4 Uttama Arogya Moola. The sloga is just like Dharma, Artha, Kama, Mokshanam, Arogyam, Moolam, Uttamam. So Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. Kama and Moksha are the 4 Uttama Arogya Moola. That question also can be expected. Next is about Trisutra. What is Trisutra? Trisutra means Hedu Lingam Aushadam. Hedu Lingam Aushadam. This is Trisutra. So Hedu Lingam Aushada Jnanam. Hedu Lingam Aushadam is Trisutra. The same Trisutra is otherwise known as Triskanda. Triskanda. Remember, Triskanda and Skandatraya are different. Skandatraya can be seen in, that is explained in the Parikh textbook. Parikh textbook is a very essential textbook that you should follow, because all of the entrance aspirants should follow this Parikh textbook, where we can see Tulananmaga. What is told by Acharya Charaka, what is told by Acharya Susruta, what is told by Acharya Vakpada. That is Tulananmagam, the comparative study. The comparative study is very much important. First 82 pages something is only Tulananmaga study. So very much essential by hearting or reading Parikh textbook. Ayurveda Sangraham. The textbook is known as Ayurveda Sangraham, where Skandatraya explanation is seen. But here Hedu Lingam Aushadam is Triskanda or Trisutra. Okay, I forgot, I skipped that one. That is Sutrasthana is otherwise known as Slogasthana, and Sutrasthana is known as Tandrasya Shiras. Tandrasya, Tantra means Ayurveda science or the textbook. Shiras, head of Ayurveda Samhita, Ayurveda Shastra, or Sutrasthana is the Tandrasya Shiras. So in Trisutra is nothing but Triskanda, that is Hedu Lingam Aushadam. Skandatraya is different. Skandatraya is HDD. What is HDD? HD display, not HDD display, that is for mnemonics only. Hedu Dravyam Dosham. Hedu Dravyam Dosham is known as Skandatrayam. In explanation of, while explaining Triskanda or Trisutra, there explanation, there Anandaparam is the Shabda which is related with Triskanda or Trisutra. There we can see once Nyaya, that Nyaya told by Chakrabani Datta. The Nyaya is Gobali Vartha Nyaya. Gobali Vartha Nyayam. This also can be seen. or can be asked, Gobalivarta Nyaya is explained under which concept? That is Trisutra. There is another Nyaya is called Kagadanta Pariksha Nyayam. This can be seen in the first version. What is the first verses? The first verses is about Dirkanjividiyam Adhyayam. That is Adado Dirkanjividiyam Vyakyasyamaha. That sloga, explanation of Kagadanta Pariksha is told. That is by Chakrabani Datta. So here Triskanda Gobalivarta Nyaya is explained. That is Trisutra and Triskandas are over. Not only Trisandra, Trisutra or Triskanda, Tridanda also explained in this chapter. Tridanda. Just like Tridanda, we have Tristuna. I think you know Tristuna. What is Tristuna? Tristuna is nothing but it is Vata Pitta Kabha is known as Tristuna. So Trisutra, Triskanda, Tristuna, then Skandatraya. These are the technical terms. Next is about Padartha. This Padartha explanation of Padartha is 6. Very, very important. Why very, very important? Because the sequential order is generally asking. What is the sequential order told by Charaka? This is different from that is explained by Vaisheshika Darshana. In Vaisheshika Darshana, Vaisheshika Darshana has given a order. That order is Dravya Guna Karma, just like that order. But in Charaka Samhita, the order is different. So the order is very much essential. What is the order? Samanyam cha, Vishesham cha, Gunan, Dravyani Karmam cha, Samavayam cha. Samanyam cha, Vishesham cha, Gunan, Dravyani Karmam cha, Samavayam cha. So Shat Padartha is otherwise known as Shat Karana. That is also important. Shat Karana. So how many Karanas are there by Acharya Charaka? Shat Karana. That is Shat Padartha. And the order is Samanyam, Vishesham, Gunam, Dravyam, Karmam, Samavayam. So how we can remember? Sabhishesha Gunuvala Dravyika Karma Hai Samavayam. Sabhishesha Gunuvala Dravyika Karma Hai Samavayam. Sabhishesham, Samanyam, Vishesham, Gunam, Dravyam, Karmam, Samavayam. So question will be, according to sequential order, what is the fourth position? Which is the fourth Padartha told by Charaka? Which is the fourth Padartha? Samanya, Vishesha, Guna, Dravya. That is Dravya. So the order is important. Why such order is came? Because Samanya and Vishesha are very much important in the Chikitsa aspects, because Acharya Charaka is given to importance to Chikitsa, Charakas to Chikitsa Sreshtaha. So for the Chikitsa purpose, we need Samanya and Vishesha, so that Savishesha, Samanya and Vishesha are firstly placed, not by Dravya and something else. So Samanya and Vishesha are important. So this is about today's class. If you have any doubt, please feel to ask. You can contact me. So we will meet in the next class with the same topic. Okay, thank you.